Hi, need a quick way to create FAQs for your product? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a helpful and user-friendly FAQ section in no time. So FAQs are very important because obviously they answer questions that people have about a product. If you're writing FAQs, I'm assuming you've got a product or you've got something that people need answers to. And this is where ChatGPT comes in handy. It's great for this type of thing, and let's just get stuck into it. So I've got a prompt here: create a list of common questions users might have about Samsung 50-inch LED TVs. I don't know anything about this product myself, but I always like to use a bit of a different example. What are the dimensions of the TV with and without a stand? So here you can see we've got a nice long list. We don't need all of these in there, but we can cut it down a little bit. What are the most common questions users might ask about during setup, usage, and troubleshooting? Can you search the internet? So I often do ask Chat to search the internet. That way I'll just get more updated questions that are currently being asked about products. Whereas if you don't, it's going off whenever, I can't remember what date ChatGPT is up to with its memory, but just getting it to do a quick browse is always a good idea. So now we've got some commonly asked questions, troubleshooting questions. So now provide a clear and concise answer to these questions. We're now turning into an FAQ. How can I update the software? Go to settings, support. So these actually are not too bad at all. Oh, I misspelled that. Is it going to do it? Yes. So I've just asked open in Canvas. This will allow us now to work on this sheet and put our prompts in over this side. So let's have a quick look. How do I set up HMI devices? The TV should detect it automatically. I mean, these questions are all pretty straightforward. I'm just trying to see if I can find one that we could expand. Why are apps not working or loading? Power cycle your TV modem router. So using the new canvas, we can actually expand a section if we think it's needed. So I'm just doing an example here. Let's say we're not happy with this response and we think it could be a little bit longer. Let's just adjust the length just a little bit longer. That will go through and edit this out and create a little bit more information which may be needed for this particular answer. Obviously you will know, you're the one talking about the product, so you'll understand where this needs to be, where questions need to be done more thoroughly. So proofread these FAQs for grammar and clarity. It'll now just go through and clean everything up a little bit. Now, do you recommend any additional FAQs that we may have missed? So it says nearly 4 minutes, and we have got ourselves a pretty good FAQ section that we can put in the back of our user manuals, or if we're doing content creation, we can put at the bottom of our blog posts, things like that. So we don't. I just said there, we don't want to use the word additional FAQs. Please add them to the relevant sections or create new sections. So it's now going to go through, clean all this up. How did it go? Troubleshooting questions. Well, that'll do, I guess. Again, you know your product, you know where you can... Oh, did it? Oh no, it actually did do it. Fantastic. So there we have it. This was just a quick, easy video showing you how to create FAQ section in no time. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.